Fun fact, whether you bottom or not, we all need to breathe, and we need to breathe a lot more and a lot deeper. So many people do not take enough deep breaths throughout the day, and guess where that anxiety and all that stress is finding its way to? Your asshole. The key to bottoming is relaxation, and this exercise is going to help you relax right where you need to. This is a superb exercise to do if you're really anxious before a hookup's coming over, or if you're loosening up through toys or your fingers or whatever. This is a great prerequisite to make all that work a lot easier and to make your anxiety chill the fuck out. Sit in a chair upright and no slouching, bitch. Come on. No tension anywhere, babe. Tension in your neck, shoulders, and arms can find its way to your ass. Trust. Relax everything and place your hands on your belly. Make sure there is no pressure on your abdomen. So no tight pants, no tight shorts, none of that right now, y'all. Breathe in slowly through your nose, feeling your belly and low ribs expand. Hold your breath for 1 second and then exhale gently like you're blowing through a straw. You'll feel your abdominals contracting to empty your lungs. No need to strain here, we're just breathing, okay? Breathe in for 2 seconds, hold for 1 second, and exhale for 4 to 5 seconds. It should always take you longer to exhale than inhale. After doing this for a minute or two, you will feel your body relaxing, almost like you're melting into the chair. Guess what else is relaxing a whole lot? That ass. You can also do this exercise standing up, laying down on your back, or on your side. I recommend doing it in all positions so you can learn to breathe and relax in sexual positions as well. I even do this exercise before I douche so that everything's loosey-goosey and feeling good before I put a douche nozzle in me. And also it'll help the douching process go by so much quicker, because if you're clenching, you're just gonna hold the water in and then you're gonna have to push the water out super hard, which can lead to hemorrhoids, baby. Additionally, if you're someone that feels like they're always struggling to pass a bowel movement on the toilet, this exercise could also really help you with that. Hell, you can even do this exercise while someone is quite literally inside you. I know I do it all the time.